Innovation Spotlight. SafeWing, for a safe takeoff in ice and snow. Worldwide, more than 41 million airplanes with over 4 billion passengers take off in the course of a year. During the winter months, additional precautions are necessary. In icy and snowy conditions, the planes are sprayed with colored de-icing fluids, especially on the wings. Planes need lift to fly. This means that air must be able to flow around the wings unhindered. For this, they have to be completely smooth and free from any deposits. Even relatively small amounts of ice or snow on the wings interfere with lift and can potentially lead to crashes. For this reason, special fluids are used to de-ice planes and protect them from re-icing before takeoff. Their color makes it easier to tell them apart and see whether they've been spread evenly. Red Type 1 de-icing fluid consists of about 80 to 88% glycol, 12 to 20% water, and a small amount of additives such as surfactants, corrosion inhibitors, and defoamers. The glycol lowers the freezing point of the de-icing fluid and thus prevents it from freezing. To remove ice and snow, the fluid is sprayed on under high pressure and at a temperature of about 50 to 80 degrees Celsius. Depending on weather conditions, however, it can take only 2 to 5 minutes for new deposits of ice and snow to form. This is prevented by a second fluid, a so-called anti-icing fluid. These yellow type 2 or green type 4 fluids consist of roughly equal parts glycol and water, to which up to 5% additives are added. They greatly extend the time window for takeoff, up to 4 hours. The anti-icing fluids form a viscous protective film on the wings. Since ice crystals instantly melt when they fall on this film, it prevents deposits of ice and snow from forming on the surface of the plane. Even when the plane taxis to the runway, the fluid remains in place. On the runway, the viscosity drops significantly due to various mechanical forces. Thus, the film flows off completely before the plane leaves the ground. To protect the environment, Clariant only uses additives in SafeWing de-icing and anti-icing fluids that are as environmentally compatible as possible. At Munich Airport, for example, a special on-site recycling program ensures that up to 70% of the glycol can be reused in the production of de-icing fluids. Due to its global presence, Clariant has the logistic capability to provide regional airports with very short lead times, thus allowing planes to take off safely in winter, thanks to SafeWing.